Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Level 2 options account on Webull. First, it's important to understand what this advanced trading level entails. You'll need to ensure your Webull brokerage account is fully set up and verified. Then, we'll guide you to the specific section within the Webull application where you can begin your Level 2 options trading application process. To qualify for Level 2 options, Webull requires you to have an active brokerage account. You'll also need to show a foundational understanding of options trading, including terms like calls and puts. Furthermore, you must provide details about your financial situation and investment goals, which helps Webull assess your suitability for these strategies. Applying for Level 2 options is straightforward. Open your Webull app, go to the menu, and then select Trading Privileges. From there, find Options Trading and choose to apply for Level 2. You'll complete a questionnaire about your trading experience, financial background, and risk tolerance. Be honest, as this helps Webull determine your appropriate trading level. After submitting your application, approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll unlock a range of advanced options strategies. This includes the ability to trade long straddles and strangles, offering more complex market views. You can also implement covered puts and protective puts, providing additional tools for managing your investment risks effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.